This guy is 2 weeks old, and look how cute he is. Oh, what is he saying? Making some sounds. Now, see this little thing here? I think that little kind of like button right there in the center. That, I think, is either his or her gland or cloaca. Look at those tail feathers starting to shoot out. Wing feathers continuing to shoot out. They're the first ones to shoot out. And there's this baby's crest feathers. Hi, little baby. And look at baby's cheek or face feathers there, coming in rapidly. Like a little teenager growing a beard. Look at that little mohawked baby. Little mohawked baby. Oh, what are you doing, big baby? Oh, look at him stick his mohawk out. Oh, yeah. Oh, is the big baby. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Are you a Steeler fan, black and yellow? Are you a Steeler fan with the black and yellow? Oh, you the baby. Oh, you're my little baby. You're my baby. Listen to how precious you are. Ooh, something else. Something else. Yep. We're gonna go weigh you and Mama and Daddy. Even though Daddy's not doing anything to contribute.